Alright you guys, everybody, this is like my most exciting video ever. So this hair is from my company, Tropic Touches. I did the color on this hair and I just wanted to show you guys. This hair still has movement only because I know my hair quality, and this hair can actually dye to like the lightest blonde, like up here. And I know that I didn't dye any other hair from like different companies because they asked me that they only wanted to promote their black hair. They didn't want it to be dyed. So I'm like, okay, that's perfectly fine. But I wanted to do some color, and I knew that Tropic Touches hair is amazing and it could do color and still be bomb, like all the way to the ends. Still bomb, not dry. So that's what I did today. I'm just gonna wear this wig. So I'm just gonna put this wig on real quick, and yeah. Also, if you guys want to get a wig made, I do make wigs, like custom wigs, and I also customize wigs. But I did this color myself. The video is probably already up, or it will be up, so you guys can check that out. What else can I say? You guys see how this is just melting? I do want to do some baby hairs on this wig, but I'm not sure if I'm going to, because I feel like the no baby hair look is so cute. Brush this out. Do y'all see how this, oh my god. This is the hair. I'm gonna get up and show you guys. This hair is so cute. Like, so this is, how many bundles did I use? I used 3 bundles of 24 inches with a 20-inch tropical frontal. Y'all see this color variation. Like, remove this band and wear this wig glued down, because I feel like because of where the band is, it's not giving me a lot of room to lay down my sideburns, and it's pulling my wig back, so it's giving it this bump right here, and I really don't like that. So I'm just gonna go remove this band from my wig. I'm gonna do my stocking cap method and stick my wig down with my my bowl hole active glue, and then I'm gonna be right back to lay the baby hairs on camera and talk to you guys a little bit more.
Alright you guys, so I'm just gonna use
I'll be
my
right back,
black
and
gel, just slick my edges back. I'm using my edges toothbrush. Then I'm gonna just blow that on warm heat. I'm gonna cut my little air hole parts out, so that's gonna lay really flat around my sideburn area. This is really I'm just doing really quick because I did this before. I didn't really want to bore you guys, but I just thought I'll just leave it in just so you guys could see me put it on. But I'm just spraying it with my Got To Be Free spray, and then I'm going to blow that as well. And the whole time I'm blowing it on warm air. I really don't care for it to be on cool air. That takes too long. I'm using the end of my rat tail to hold down the sides, and then I'm just going to cut that cap off. After I'm done, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation thing. I got it from my beauty store. I'm in the color number 14, and I'm putting that all over the front. Then I'm cleaning it off. I'm cleaning off my skin with my apple cider vinegar, my 91% alcohol, and my Skin Protect. I'm using one little layer of Bold Hold Active just to seal my cap, and then I use actually one piece of tape to lay down the little side areas, and then I did 3 layers of glue.
You always there when I need you, but right now I need you. I'm calling your number, girl, give me the feature. Come split me some ether. I had that shit open. Your body, I had that shit smoking. They call it a chimney teaser. We ain't gotta waste no time. I'ma just release what's on your mind. Tell me your secrets. piece of your time.
Right here, I'm just touching up little areas that didn't get the glue because I don't want to cut off this lace. And just use my comb to lay it down, blowing my hair, blowing the lace with warm heat so it can melt. And then all I do is cut these little baby hairs. And then I think I laid my edges with some Afro G styling mousse.
Need attention. Maybe you got it obvious, you got issues. Maybe you need to keep it real with yourself instead of riding around in that black 95 on 2 with the tints on the windows. Hope you know I can see what you window when you're driving by, watching eye to eye. I know you see it. Fool Keisha, you know you did it. This love, girl, you know you quit it. It's over, I know it.
Everyone is always asking about this scarf. I got this thing from my grandma. It was like a bigger scarf, and I cut it up into little pieces. So I have like so much pieces, but it disappeared, so I don't know. I'm muting the sound for your sanity because this loud ass plane decided to fly past, but I was just telling you guys that I'm gonna link the video of me coloring this hair in my description box, and all the links to Tropic Touches will be down there as well. Yeah, I hope you guys really like this video, and bye.
Girl, I want to hold you down all the way for you, 'cause I'm all the way in London town trying to find you.